check out na kami guys. Yan. Oh, sir. Nakasalubong ko. Hindi tayo magkabanggaan. Check out time. Check out na kami guys. Alright, kaka-check out lang namin. Ayan. Busy. Daming nag-check-in dito sa hotel na to. Ayan. Ayan. Welcome back. Nandito na naman kami. Nice snowbird. Ayan, laking moose. Ayan. CJ, we've been here before, right? Yan yung nag-ride kami. Ayan. Maliit pa si CJ, no, nung huling punta namin dito. Ayan, 10 years old na si CJ. Ayan. Ito, may parang museum dyan. Ayan. COVID time pala nung nagmahal na. Before, hindi. Iba pala ito. O nga pala, no? Di ko nakita dati yun. So guys, dito kami sumakay noon nung maliit pa si CJ. Ayan. So, the Musjo Trolley Company. Ayan. Pag gusto nyong mag-tour sa buong city ng Musjo, ayan, dito sasakay. May tourist guide. Antayin na lang namin, alas 10 ang open. Ang presko ng hangin. Isa pa dito, ayan. Hindi namin nakita to nung nakaraan. Ayan. Ang malaki rin to, ah. Ayan. Bison niya, nakalimutan ko, bison niya. Ito bison. Bison. Ayan. Ito yung ano niya, the American bison. Ayan. Ito po yung ano, this life-size metal sculpture pays tribute to the iconic American bison, symbolizing strength, resilience, and cultural significance. As you stand before this artwork, you will be and so. Yeah. Dumaan kami dito sa town and country. Ayan, may bibilin daw sila. Ano na naman kayong bibilin ng mga to. Tignan natin anong meron dito sa loob. Ayan yung entrance ng mall. It's closed. What day will open? It's closed.
You just feel it, and then you need to lighten your load, lighten the burden of all your things. And I think basically it's just thinking of leaving this earth and not having loose ends left behind. You don't want to leave with having ongoing conflicts with people. The same with items, like